Drawing Spider-Man, this time I was trying to figure out which way I was going to go with this pose. And since I was drawing from a figure, there were different things I had to do to try to pose it in a way where it looks more natural. So in this way, I'm starting out using different curves and circles to rough out the shape. And normally on this phase, I will add circles where the shoulders are or circles where the knees are to show the length of how far that particular body part is going to stretch and go. Because sometimes it's hard to figure out, and adding in circles beforehand, before creating the shapes, kind of gives you a way to figure out a little bit better, at least for the way I do it. Let me see, right now I'm adding in a circle where the shoulders are, circles where the elbow is, and then I'm making the cylinder for the forearm, and then I'm roughing in the fingers. And usually for the fingers, I'll just put some boxes, 3 boxes for each finger, and normally do like 2 boxes for the thumb. Right now I'm just darkening the lines to kind of outline it a little bit better. At this point, I'll just be adding in some last minute finishes before I start using my kneaded eraser to erase it and add in the Spider-Man details.